Here's a quick tip for you. You want your studs or any of your 3D elements to be a little longer or shorter? No problem. Just use this command. Choose your element and select the plane where you want your stud or your element to be. Click OK, and there you have it. Oh, you want a little shorter? Click again on your selected component, select the plane, and type with a minus a back cut. Click OK, and now it's a little bit shorter. You want it longer? Select your component, select the plane, and write a bigger number. The preview is showing nicely the result. Click OK, and you can see that it's a little bit longer now. You want multiple components to be modified at once? Select your command, press Shift, select your components, press Shift again, and select the plane where you want them to be. Clear the addition and click OK. And there you have it. Just pay attention where you click on your selected component. The little yellow triangle indicates which end will be modified. This end is the right end, which I wanted to modify. But if I come back and click the opposite end of my component and I click the plane, as you can see, the other end will be modified. It doesn't know what to do with this command. So just make sure that you select the right end of your component, of your 3D element. And here you go. This is the controlled cut command in Viskon 16.